What's up guys? Today we are going to start with our project Caferacer. It is a pretty old bike. It's a Kawasaki 650KZ. We're going to start with shortening the seats and then put a new seat on it. Then we are going to remove the engine, prepare the engine, paint the tank, and yeah, it's gonna be a brand new bike. So yeah, follow us in this build. So we cut these parts off, these were double welded. So then we proceeded to cut some lines in it to make it rounder. Now we're going to put this part back on, so we have the shorter base. We're going to weld this back up. So as you can see, we ended up painting it after the welding so it doesn't rust, even though we are going to sandblast it. So right now we're going to fit this one on here. We're going to cut this part so we can weld it on, and then we will be able to put on the seat. Right now we're putting some paint on the seat so we can know where the seat will be mounted in the end. So the seat is on the bike, looks pretty good. So this was today's episode. In the next episode we are going to remove the engine and every other thing on the bike. We are going to prepare the frame for paint, and we are going to paint the frame. So yeah, see you in the next episode.